You guys probably think this video is clickbait, but I promise you it's not, and we're just gonna skip the bullshit and get right into it. So a year ago, I put out a video on my custom settings for the FX6 and you guys loved it. For instance, I put intention on why I suggested certain things, like on the top handle, right? We have number 7 and number 8. I'm a top handle shooter, I'm a handheld shooter, and what made sense to me was number 7 mapping that to the dual native ISO toggling, right? Going from 800 to 12,800, holding the camera, easy button press, right? I put intention and suggestions on what you should be mapping your buttons to. So about a week ago, and I really wish I would have thought about this 2 years ago. There's one button I never mapped in that video, and that's the one on the provided LCD screen right on the side. And what happened was I went into the assignable buttons, and the most simple thing that I've never, and I watch a lot of FX6 videos, even though I've done a lot with this camera the past 2 years, I'm still trying to learn new things and experiment with it and just see if there's anything new I could get out of it, right? As simple as this one thing, and I got another thing right after this tip that I discovered, but we'll get to that in a second. Why hasn't anyone made a video up until now assigning that button to be either your quick or your deep menu? Being that the deep menu or even the quick menu is all the way down here, why not assign it to here? The muscle memory is easier to press. You know exactly where you need to go. It's right next to the screen that you're gonna either be touching or using the joystick with, instead of thinking you know where it is and you hit your white balance or your iris button, right? It was just like a little bit of an epiphany. And as dumb as it sounds, the past 2 weeks, like using it like this, it's easy, it's effortless, and I've never seen anyone suggest that, and I just want to share this with you guys. This isn't some game-changing video, but another thing I noticed that I've never really heard anyone talk about, and once again, I was just playing with the camera, and I don't know if my S and Q button wasn't working in that moment or it got stuck, but I was holding it down. Lo and behold, why hasn't anyone told me that when you hold the button down, it brings up the frame rates right on the screen and you could change them from there without having to go into the quick menu and being bothered? Like, these are just two little things that just make my workflow faster on set. And I just want to share them with you guys because it seems like you really liked my custom settings video. There was a lot of views, a lot of comments. A lot of you have DM'd me on Instagram saying like, thank you, just got my 6 and you got me set up proper. I literally just want to come on here for a couple minutes and tell you about like these two things, because as simple as it is, the last couple weeks using it like this, it's just a lot easier. I mean, just having the menu, as dumb as it sounds, like, and I watch all your I watch all the FX6 videos that you guys create. I like learning about this camera, even though I've taken it to Iceland and filmed the Aurora time lapses in Italy and the Bahamas, and I've done over $500,000 worth of budgets using this and the FX3. I'm still learning new things about this camera and experimenting and playing with it. And I just want to share that information with you guys so you could be on the up and up too. I'm not about gatekeeping. So that's it for the video. Kind of fast. I just want to share it with you guys and let you know what's up. And till next time, peace.